In this video, you will see how to indent in WPS Office. I will show you first line indent and second line indent like this. It's very easy. First, you need to select the text using a mouse or a keyboard. After selecting, right click on the text and here you will see the option of paragraph. After clicking on it, you need to see your on indent and spacing tab. Under that, you will see the option of indentation. The first line indent is hidden here next to the special. You need to click on the drop down and select the option first line. You will see here the preview as here it is showing the indentation is for the first line. Next to the by type, now you have to select here if you have any specific requirement. For example, if you have first line indent that is specified, let's say in inches, then select inch and let's say here 0.5 inch and then click on OK to apply first line indent in WPS Office. For the second line indent in WPS Office, if you have references or citations in MLA, APA or Chicago style, you can right click on the selected references like this, go to the paragraph, next to the special, select the option hanging indent. So as you can see, we have here hanging indent, and if the requirements are given, for example in inches or centimeter, you can accordingly select and then enter the number and then click on OK to get the second line indent for your citations in WPS Office. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn and become pro in WPS Office. See you again in the next one.